Stand at ease. Attention. Join your hands and close your eyes. Oh God. Oh God. I thank you. I thank you. For this day. For this day. Bless me. Bless me. Bless my school. Bless my school. Bless my teachers. Bless my teachers. Bless my parents. Dear God. Help me. To be a good child. Good child. Thank you, God. Thank you. Basic love you, God. We love you, God. Moving our spacious heart one more time to fulfill everyone. Pledge. India's my country. India's my country. All Indians are mine. All Indians are mine. Brothers and sisters. Brothers and sisters. I love my country. I love my country. And I am proud of its rich and very heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers, and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. My country, to my people, I pledge my devotion. India will be and prosperity along that's my happiness. This for today. Hard dream big. What hard dream big. Vocabulary. New. Fresh. Taja. Honest. Fair. Pramanika. New. Fresh. Taja. Honest. Fair. Pramanika. Nice. Under. Special event of the day. 29th October is World Stroke Day. 31st October is National Unity Day. 27th October is National Navy Day. 28th October National Chocolate Day. Attention. Stand at ease. Attention. State anthem begin. Class disperse.